And the alerts that are going to be going to you guys are this green button here that says general medical case. So when they click that, basically this kind of form template pops up, and EMS can just kind of go through and check off all the items that are applicable to the patient that they're currently bringing to you. So again, I'm not going to go through point by point and show everything in here, but I do just want you to see some of like the the highlights in here. So for example, I'll go through and I'll set the priority as low. We're not going to say there's any additional resources needed in the ED when we get there. We'll say it's a 45-year-old male patient. They can attach like a picture or a video clip, for example. So say it was maybe like a burn patient or like some type of wound that they wanted to take a picture of and attach that and send that in. They have the capability to do that. They can give a voiced in narrative using like the speech to text capability of the device that they're using, so they can go in and say some details about the patient in there. Then they get down to the chief complaint. So we'll just go ahead and say this one's an allergic reaction. I'm just going to hide the keyboard too, so you can see everything. And you can see there's a list of chief complaints here that, they can pick from. And then they've got a set a spot where they can put in vitals. So for example, we can say, blood pressure of 120/80, heart rate is 75, respiratory rate 25, SpO2 98. You get the idea. So again, I'm not going to go through all of it. And then if they did 2 sets of vitals, they actually have the capability where they can expand another section here and put in the repeat vitals. By default, we leave that kind of collapsed, so they don't have to fill that in. If they did any treatments, they can put that in here. So we'll just say none. Since we did allergic reaction, we'll just say epi for meds given. And then at that point, they've now filled everything out. They're ready to send this in to you guys at the hospital so you can receive the alert. So you can see at the bottom, we've got this big green notify hospital button. So when I click that, it asks them to confirm it. We're going to go ahead and say yes to confirm that. And now I'm going to flip back over to the hospital side. And you can see we get an incoming alert on your side. So this is going to be basically now what you guys are seeing. You also heard the alert in the background there, I'm sure.